Viewers, welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I have got another update. The Oxygen OS 14 now running. So the update is all about 140.83 megabyte official version U90P00 BRB1EX01. Notes: improves the experience of extracting text from images and inserting it in notes, rendering more accurate result for greater efficiency. Improve the time and date locationize in the notes app, synchronizing the system language and region settings. Prompt: adds alarm for shift workers. Smart sidebar: you can now perform a fuzzy search on the editing page of Smart Sidebar. Adds a partial screenshot option in the Smart Sidebar. Screen recording: the screen recording indicators is now shown in a floating window by default. You have the option to choose the indicator location the first time you use screen recording. You can also changing it later in settings. System: the update improves system stability. Note: in general, updating the system will not cause your data to be deleted or modified. However, for your security, you are recommended to back up your data before starting the upgrade. Please also make sure that you have sufficient space for the upgrade. If you encourage any problem when using the new version, please contact our system customer service. The installation package will be deleted after installation. The system will determine which function to update based on the version of functions. This version will update clock for shift workers. Smart sidebar adds a partial screenshot option for in the Smart Sidebar. Screen recording options, improvement, system stability updates. So I am installing it. Download and install. It will take some time. Download. Download is completed. Extracting the downloads. Verifying the downloads. Now install. The system will restart. See, the screen recording is in a floating window like earlier before Android 14 update. So you can also change it from the settings menu. The update is completed successfully. This is the sidebar, no change. This is the app drawer. This is the shortcut menu. everything is seems fine. So viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. A new version installed. Okay, version is up to date. LE210_14.0.600 EX01U90P00. Improve the experience of extracting text from images and inserting it in notes, rendering more accurate results. Let's try it. Let's try this screenshot. I am holding and pressing it. Nothing is happening here. I really don't know how to extract the text from an image. I have to read the instructions. Okay, clock, alarm adds alarm for shift workers. Okay, system, the update improves system security. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will update you if there is any bug or anything that is not good for you. Thanks for watching.